Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing and overview of the Philips Norelco OneBlade. The model number on this is QP2520/70. This is the model that is for your face only. There's also another model which covers your body and face. I got this on Best Buy at Best Buy in store for $29.99 plus taxes. It said it was $5 off from the previous $34 price thereabout, and I got this hard case for it on Amazon for $8.99. It's called the ProCase. I will leave links to both of these items in the description of this video. Alright, so since we're already on the case, I might as well go there. So you have, feels like decent quality. Typical hard case. It comes with also this lanyard. You can attach it on the outside right here, and you put the device right here, and here you can use to store the different combs that come with the device, as well as the charging cable. Alright, so that's the case. I'll also be coming back perhaps sometime later, couple months down the road, to see how it goes, because I did check some review, or quite a few reviews on this. Most reviews were by Caucasian males with different hair texture than mine, so I had to look a little harder to see reviews by African or men of African descent with my type of hair to see how well it worked, and I was pretty impressed with how clean it got to their skin when they actually did their review. So I was excited to try this, and it was pretty affordable at $29.99. This has been out for some time now, because those reviews I looked on were from 2016, 2017, so this is not a brand new product. Alright, so I've already taken off all the tapes that were on the sides. They were on all four sides, just to make it easier for the video. So once you do that, this comes off like this. Right on front you'll see the stubble combs and the actual item itself. See if I can get this off easily to see what's behind here. Alright, let's do this. Alright, pardon me, I'm just using... Did I just break it? I hope I didn't. I just popped the blade off, guys. I'm trying to see if I can fit it back in easily. Okay. Alright, went back in pretty. Okay, so it comes out, it ejects like that. Just pop it back right in. Not this way, but this way. Alright, it's fine. Now let's try and get this thing off so you can see what else is underneath here. Trying to keep this video under 5 minutes. Alright, so I can't really do it properly for you. See, it's coming off again. I'm not sure if that's a concern. It seems like it's easy to pop off, but let's see what else is under here. Alright, so here we have one of the combs, or the comb. I think it only comes with that one cone. And oh, here's a nut. Wow. And it has two other combs under here, or three. And here is the charger and the manual. This is a pretty long one. I saw someone pull this out on their page, so I don't need to go through all that. But this has been the unboxing. Can't really, let me see if I can get this thing off easily. Alright, let me put this down for just a minute so I can get this off easily for you, so you can see how it feels or how it looks in the hand. Alright, here we go. So let me just put the blade back on. Then I'm going to see if it has any charge in it, so I can see if it... Alright, so it does. Some plastic on the device itself. So it's a pretty, it feels pretty good. And I can tell it's going to allow for a close shave because it's so ergonomically built. You charge the device right here. Philips Norelco OneBlade. Alright, and then let me show you how it fits in the actual case itself. Let me get rid of all the garbage over here.